Hey, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of the tool difference. I have here open QGIS with a layer of municipality shown here with red boundaries, and for each of the municipalities in Norway I want to calculate the area that is protected area shown with this green fill color and the area that is proposed to be protected, shown with a hatch symbolization. To get this done correctly, I need to solve the issue of overlap between the protected areas and the proposed protected areas. Likely, the layer here with the proposed protected area is not updated, since it also overlapped partly with the area already being protected. So this can be solved using the tool difference. You can get this from the vector entrance. We find difference here, or we can search for it in the processing toolbox. So I use the latter and search for difference here, and it pops up as one of the recently used tools. Click on that to start it. What should be used as input layer, what should be used as overlay layer is important here. It is the proposed protected I use as an input layer. I advise you to click on the help menu here to understand why proposed protected should be the input layer and why the protected layer should be the overlay. And then I do not want a temporary layer, so I save to file. So I give a file name for this and make sure that location is where I want it. And I click run. So that is finished. Let's have a look at the results. And here it's some odd results. It seems to be some linear features here, but actually these are very small polygons called slivers. And these are just meaningless polygons. They are very small, so probably they won't influence much on the calculation on the area of protected and proposed protected area. But nevertheless, I will show you some tricks on how to deal with them, how to remove them.